Hey guys, Tame Rider 996 here, and back in Unity. Can you believe it? And this is just a glitch, guys. I didn't seriously make something that looks that bad. But, I'm planning to do some more pixel art, maybe some Blender thingy things. And I'm just going to show you what I got so far. And so you spawn in, come down here. It's a nice little rock here, floating, because I haven't yet added gravity to it. And if I can open my inventory, got a nice little thing. I'm going to fix this. And now I've equipped it. Amazing rock. And it's not really useful yet, but I plan to start getting like infinite terrain generation, all that niceness. And And seriously, guys, like and subscribe. I really would appreciate it. All that stuff. If you did enjoy, and all that stuff. So let's get into things that I'm going to be doing today. Well, guys, first of all, I named the game. It's Ultra Bad Survival Simulator. Amazing name. I'm going to try and fix this weird background, and we're going to do that about right now, actually. Got this, and for some reason my stuff is over here. I don't know why. I ain't know. And I hope this is the other way, because it'd be embarrassing if it was. Of course, I can make a new one. So this is supposed to be 32, and this is supposed to be 64. Yeah, yep. Nothing ever happened. Okay. There. Exit out of that. Come over here. This. Zoom in. Amazing. Put on my grids. So yeah, this is what I've been using. It's graphic scale if you couldn't see it up here already. It's decent, I guess. It's free. And got colors. Some tools, I guess. The eraser's not as good as I would expect. But anyway, I'm going to start modeling. Okay, guys, I guess this is what I got so far. It's not too bad, but not too good. But, I'm not an art professionalist. So, all I gotta do is save this, put it into Unity, and turn it into a sprite so I can use it and all that stuff. And I'll see you guys in just 1 second. Okay, guys, got the menu 2000 billion. Okay, I think it's sprite. Here we are. And then apply this change. Come over to here. Change it from the 1000 to the 2000. It looks slightly better. Very, very slightly better. What if I just went ahead and did this? It's not as bad as it used to be. Okay. This nice little button that doesn't do anything. Let's fix that right now. And I might want to add a texture to this, just saying. Yeah, I might want to add a texture. Do I have like other things? Anything at all? No. Okay. So, see ya in a second. Okay, guys, first of all, I somehow deleted that. I'm an idiot. So I'm gonna make a new script called Start Game. Uh, and wait for visual. Actually, where is it? Okay, put this in the scripts folder. And where is it? Here it is. Open up Visual Studio, and I'll see you guys in 1 second. Okay, guys, I'm gonna come back into this, like the main game. Like, I'm out of 2D view, so I'm actually viewing the 3D, not just the UI. Continuing to scroll some more, faster. It's taking forever. Why, Unity? Why you gotta be like this? Okay. I'm here. So, player, and I'm just gonna set it to like 25. That should be good. Yep. Okay, let's play test this. Come on, work, please. It worked, yay! And I picked up the rock automatically. We're in the same spot, so yeah. Pretty nice, pretty nice, pretty nice. And also yeah, if you press G in my game, it clears your thingy thing. And next I want to try and fix this monstrosity of a thing, but I'm not really gonna. It's quite a bit of work, and it's not too bad. It's not as bad as the title screen was, and all that stuff. So next I want to work on this stuff up here, this shaders, if it ever loads. Okay, here we are. And where? Okay, here we are. Texture 2D. For some reason, they're not working. I don't know why. Is there anything like, should this be normal? Ooh, is that supposed to be normal? I think it is. Hold on, give me a second. Save this. Come into my scene. And try to just play this. Oh, it didn't work. But oh my gosh, the shadow quality is just down now. What happened? Oh my gosh, it looks like someone had a bonfire here that was bigger than ever. Biggest bonfire ever. Yeah, I'm gonna try. I don't know why that would happen. But take this and put it into defaults. And yep. I'm just gonna save this again, because that might help. And I'm just gonna take some of this water shader that I did before and see if I can figure out what went wrong. Okay guys, I did something, improve textures maybe, but get ready. Here we are. Loading. Here we are. So this is what I got so far. The texture's not too bad, but it's fixed at least. It's a little bit oversaturated. All that stuff. Next I gotta fix trees. It's not gonna be very fun. But hey, I got some ground texture and all that stuff. Okay, guys, got somewhat of a tree texture. They just still don't look good, but it's something. If I can find any trees around here. Trees. Somewhere. Do not seem to be anywhere. I'll look around for. Guys, this is a world. It is a world glitch. Exploits. I want to jump into the void, but I can't. Okay then. Maybe I'll get over to here and I can get out. Okay, can I get out? Come on. Come on. Can't. So I'll just start it again. There's something yelling at me. I wonder if that's anything to do with it. Yet again, I only changed the texture of them, so yeah. Where are they? Where are tree? Is this what? Is this climate change? Is this what's happening? Yeah, I'll try and figure out what's happening. Okay, guys, yeah, I'm pretty stupid. Where is it? Yeah, I need a prefab. Dang. So I'll go into my little poly things. Prefabs. I use tree 4. Just put it in here. I didn't mean to. Come on. I didn't want to be in that. Go into here. Put it right there. That. Don't really need that anymore. So then go into materials and get myself. First of all, I have to set them. I think this is leaves. Yes, it is. Oh yeah, I'm spoiling textures. And then the bark shader. yeah, this is about what it looks like. It's not much of an improvement, but something. It's a better texture, I guess. And now I need to create this as a prefab. So just drag it into, drag it. Hold on, give me a second. Give me a second. 3, 4. Drag it into here. Original. I can get rid of this one. Go into the spawning thing and add this as the prefab. Come into here. Loading. And I get my trees, which are black from this angle because light things. But it actually should be good from the other angle. Is it not? Yep, there's the texture. I don't know why it's always being black like that, but I ain't gonna judge. So yeah, guys, I think that's about all I got for this video, and hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, smash that like button, and if you don't, forget to subscribe, blah blah blah, and all that stuff. And I couldn't jump for a reason. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.